Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand what a suffix is, know what a base verb is, use ing to show ongoing actions, know when to use am, is, are with ing verbs. Practice using verbs in two forms, base and ing. What is a suffix? A suffix is a group of letters added to the end of a word. It can change the way the word is used in a sentence, such as showing that the action is happening now or is still ongoing. Examples: I am singing. We are packing the bags. They are talking. What is a base verb? A base verb shows a simple action that happens one time, not again and again over time. Examples: I cook dinner. We walk to school. They read books. What is an ing verb? We add ing to the base verb to show that an action is happening now or is ongoing. Example: I am cooking. We are walking. They are reading. Rule number one for adding ing: just add ing to most base verbs. You do not have to change the spelling of the base verb. Example: cook becomes cooking. Read becomes reading. Walk becomes walking. To make a sentence with an ing verb, you must use am, is, are, plus an ing verb. Example: I am cooking. She is reading. They are walking. Base verbs versus ing verbs. What is a verb? A verb is a word that shows action. Example: read, walk, eat. Base verbs, these are the simple form of verbs. They tell what someone does. Example: I read a book. They walk fast. You eat. These verbs do not have any endings. Ing verbs. These verbs end in ing. They tell what is happening right now. Examples: I am reading a book. They are walking fast. You are eating. These verbs show an action that is happening now. Let's compare the base verb with the ing verb. The base verb has no ending. It's just the basic action. Whereas an ing verb ends in ing. It shows the action is happening now. You try it. Match the verbs. Match the base verbs to the correct ing verbs. Please pause the video and write your answers on paper or say your answers out loud. The correct answers are cook becomes cooking, read becomes reading, walk becomes walking. Here are 3 base verb sentences. Number 1, I cook. Number 2, they read. Number 3, she walks. Turn them into ing sentences using am, is, or are. Please pause the video and say or write your answers, then press play. The correct answers are I am cooking, they are reading, she is walking. What is he doing? What are they doing? Respond aloud or write a sentence with is, are, am, plus an ing verb. Please pause the video and work at your own pace. The correct answers are he is walking, they are reading. Write 2 kinds of sentences. Write one sentence with a base verb and another sentence with an ing verb. Example, I read is a sentence that uses the base verb. I am reading is a sentence that uses the ing verb. Your turn. Write 3 pairs like this. Say them out loud too. Please pause the video and work at your own pace. Great job! You did it! You learned what a suffix is, what base verbs do, how to use ing verbs for ongoing action, and how to build sentences with am, is, are, plus ing. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 18. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to spend a few minutes every day reviewing the lesson you've learned. If you find it difficult to do any part of the lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you complete this lesson with ease. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning this interactive lesson, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.